What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Khadija. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of this layer family. We are back with another natural hair tutorial, and today we are featuring Toyotress Hair. Today we're featuring their 10-inch wand curl crochet hair, and this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I received in my package, how many hairs, and then we just jump right into the video. So I received 6 packs of crochet hair. I received a crochet needle and some hair accessories. This is what the hair looks like. It is their 10-inch wand curl, and this is the color number 2 on the website. So when you go shopping, look for color number 2. This is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm just gonna jump right into the install. Until next time, we'll see you guys in another video. All right guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. Once again, today we're featuring Toyotress Hair, and this is their 10-inch wand curl crochet hair, and this is what it's looking like. This is it. If you want to get this hair, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other hair from Toyotress Hair, their website is also in my description. Go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.